What if I tell you that YouTube is actually designed to break you as a YouTuber? Now, here on YouTube, you will have to prove yourself. Now, YouTube is not like other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, where creators just come in and then they have their viral videos, like, comment, and then shares, and they becomes happy. Here on YouTube, you have to prove yourself. I understand you are coming with the mentality of getting monetized, making money on YouTube, because people were telling you that there is money on YouTube. No, here on YouTube, you will have to prove yourself as a YouTuber. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 strategies I discover about the big YouTubers which make them stand out. Now, these 5 strategies is now helping me on my channel. If many of you know about this channel, 3 months ago, you will discover that this channel was actually struggling until I began to apply those strategies on my channel. Now, within the space of that 3 months, I'm close to 4,000 subscribers. You can, and if you go to my channel, you will discover that every videos on my channel are top notch. Meaning, where am I getting my ideas from? So I'm going to be sharing with you 5 strategies I discover from the big YouTubers, and I'm going to be sharing it with you in this video. So in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube video, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. And first strategies I discovered that the big YouTubers were using is they all niche down. Yes, you heard me. Now, niching down as a YouTuber is one of the prettiest way for you to grow. I know nobody tells you that you were supposed to niche down or to even have a niche. Many of you don't even know what a niche is all about. So niching down or having a niche that people knows you for is one of the easiest way the algorithm understands you and then know who to push your videos to. That is why you will see those people telling you within 1 year they were able to hit 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, while you are still struggling with 1K subscribers. So our advice as a YouTuber, go back, sit down, redraw your plans and tell yourself, what am I doing wrong? And the number one thing you are doing wrong is your niche. So ask yourself, what kind of niche can I bring to the table? What kind of niche can I share? Can I find myself? Because one thing is, every niche you find yourself, you should be able to defend it, or you should be able to come out 100%. Meaning, like for example, I'm a coach. So me as a coach, I know that is my strength, that is my area of concentration, or that's what I can do best. If your own is fashion, if your own is cooking, or you like sports, then go ahead and niche down to any of those niche. For example, if you go to my channel, you discover that all what I'm doing is teaching. You would, if you go to my this thing, you will not see me doing lifestyle. All I'm just doing there is teaching. So I would advise you niche down, and that is what they did, and that is what is giving them more viral videos or more visibility. And number 2 strategies I discovered the big YouTubers were using is their mode of presentation, as like the way they present their videos stands out. Now, the way they present their videos is what make them different. I understand you were coming from other platforms, platform like TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, whereby you just make video, you don't even need to edit it, you don't need to remove background noise, you don't need to do color grading, you just post it. But here on YouTube, you are advised to make sure that your video is of high quality, meaning the color grading, the sounds, the videos itself, or any kind of attaching you want to do to that video, everything must stand out. In short, sometimes I take 24 hours in editing my video just because I want it to look so nice. Now, where you were coming from, or the other platform that you were coming from, you will make video of 1 second, or 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or even you will just dance, or 1 minute maximum and you post. But here on YouTube, making videos of over 8 minutes or 1 hour is welcome, and is one of the way you can easily grow here on YouTube. And number 3 strategies the big YouTubers were using is they understand they have competitors. Now, as a YouTuber, you must understand that you are not the only one here. There are millions of videos being uploaded on YouTube every day. So if there are millions of videos and yours is among these 1 million, how can your one video come out to be the best among the millions of videos on YouTube every day? Now, this is where you now need to understand that you need to improve on yourself, your communication skills, your gestures, everything. You have to see, you have to be consistent. You cannot just post 1 video today and wait for another month before you post another video. if you go to my channel, you discovered how consistent I am. If you cannot be consistent like me, like because me, I post video every day. So if you cannot be consistent like me, you can make it like three days or twice, post like twice in a week is a good way to go. So you need to understand you have competitors out there. So if you can't bring out quality videos, you can't bring out videos every day, you can't show yourself every day, your subscribers will go to another person, and when they find another person attractive, YouTube or the algorithm will stop suggesting your own videos to them because they already find a better place. So work on your what? On yourself. Improve on yourself because there are other competitors. And number 4 strategies I discovered that the big YouTubers were using is endurance. They know how to endure. Now, you begin to feel bad as a small YouTuber whenever you post video and the video is having like 20 views, maximum 100 views. You feel bad. You feel like, let's just go back to where you were coming from, meaning other platform. But those people, they endure. As a YouTuber, you must be able to endure. Like when there is no views, there's no like, there is no comments, don't worry, just keep pushing. Those people, they were pushing until they break even. Now, if you go to their platform now, you discover that those big YouTubers, whenever they drop a single video, within 24 hours or within a day, that video is already hitting thousands of views. But if you cannot endure, you might not also have a result like that. So work on your what? On your endurance. Just show up every day, drop the video, just as long you know that you have played your part. Like the video is fine, thumbnail is fine, title is fine, tagging is fine, description is fine, everything is fine. It means you have played your part. There are videos here on YouTube that sometimes pick up even after a year. Yes, it picks up after a year. So you as a YouTuber, do not just give up or feel like YouTube is not worth it. No, YouTube is like a lifetime investment. So you need to, so imagine something that is a lifetime investment. It means you should be able to endure to build it to your to the best taste you ever want. So remember, I told you that YouTube is actually designed to break you until you prove yourself, which means your ability to endure will shows how ready and how successful you can be on this platform. And number 5 strategies I discovered the big YouTubers were using is all their content are evergreen content. Now, what are evergreen content? Now, evergreen content are content that in short, after 5 years, people are still searching for it. After 5 years, the content is still going viral. After 5 years, the content is still giving out value. So if only what you do is jumping on trend, then when the trend is over, the video will die down. But I would advise you always create evergreen content that even when you are sleeping, it is making money for you. Even when you are sleeping, it is making subscriber for you, it is making watch hour for you. That is the kind of content you should be creating. It is called evergreen. That is why when you go to their channel, you just discover that you see millions of views, thousands of views on every video, is because they took their time. They discovered that, yes, these are videos that people can look for in the future or that is going to be dishing out value in the future, and they take their time to make that video. I understand you can think it is stressful because I've seen somebody that said, yeah, YouTube videos or making YouTube videos is stressful. Of course, it is stressful, and that is what make it different, or that is what make YouTube stands out. YouTube is a platforms that reward quality, that reward hard work, or that reward tenacity. So you as a YouTuber, work on your videos, making sure that those videos are evergreen video, and not just video that after 1 day, after 1 week, or maximum 1 month, the video dies down. Nobody looks for those information in that video. And these are the 5 strategies that you can work on your channel, and your channel will have a new look or a new growth. Your niche, your mode of presentation, you have competitors, go and work on them. Then make sure that you endure. Always create evergreen content. Now, in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel and you have still not subscribed, of course, I am Tunde's Diary. Hit the subscribe button. I actually create videos on YouTube tips, video editing tips, and Facebook tips, which means my channel have got you covered. If you want me to always make videos for you, like maybe there are some videos you don't understand and you want me to make it for you, just go to the comment section, tell me, and I will do it for you. If you have any questions, also leave it in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Before I will see you in my next video, you can go watch this video, because this video will actually help you in terms of your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour. All right, bye bye.